This is how to find the price of a semi-annual bond using your HP12c financial calculator. Okay, so we have a little bit of information. We know that this is a corporate bond and that the yield to maturity is 11% and that it'll be 14 years till then. So let's get into it. This problem is a little tricky because normally you could just punch in the numbers, but since it's semi-annually, we have to do a little bit of calculating. First for N, which is up here, since it's semi-annual, you're going to need to multiply it by 2. And you don't really actually have to remember that because your calculator will say multiply it by 12, which is just a shortcut for like if you're trying to find it for months, like if it's something's compounding monthly, like an investment. So you could just look at, you're going to need to multiply your years, divide the I, and then you're also going to need to divide payments because it's semi-annually. So let's get into it. If it's 14, going to multiply that by 2, so we can just go 28. Assign that to N. And then for our I, we know it's, we have 11, but we're going to need to divide that by 2. So that's 5.5. So we have 5.5 to I. Our present value, we won't fill in because that's what we're looking for. Our payments, we've been told, oh great, so we have, it's 8% interest rate, or yeah, for our payments. So you're gonna do 1,000, which is like the corporate bond, I guess value that you're gonna get back from, how do I explain this? Okay, so 1,000 times 0.08, if it's a normal bond, not semi-annual, that would be your payments that you're getting every year. But since it's semi-annually, the number like that you're gonna get back every year is not gonna change, but since you're getting it every 6 months, it's just gonna be cut in 2. So normally you could just do like 1,000 times 80, times 0.08, and that'd be 80, and then divide it by 2, that's 40. Pretty simple. So we're gonna go 40, where is this? Into payments. And then future value is 1,000, always for corporate bonds, or FV. And then all you gotta do is press PV. I believe it'll give a negative number, but you could just ignore that. Okay, awesome, there we go. If you wanna change it, you can just press CHS, but the price of that bond should be $788.20. Hope this helps.